Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2021 HR-V Advance. Now of course, walking around the car, you'll notice that you do get your LED headlights, LED daytime running lights and LED fog lights. You also get 4 front parking sensors along with your 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels as standard. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are all in, and most importantly the design pattern you do actually get on these alloys. Walking around to the rear, you'll notice you also have your 4 rear parking sensors. You've also got a nice little reversing camera just up at the top there to make this thing an absolute doddle to park. You've then got a full electric tailgate, as you can see. As you come inside, you've got plenty of room in here with 60/40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with the boot floor. Moving up to the tailgate, you press this button just here, and as soon as you walk out of the car's range with the key in your pocket, the boot will automatically close. Alternatively, if you want the boot to close straight away, just press this button right here. Moving around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, you've got the part leather, part cloth interior with Isofix mounting points down at the bottom. You've got full electric windows all round. You've also got full keyless entry and full keyless start. But jumping inside the car now, you've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. You then got hill descent and your drive mode, which you can choose between sports, normal and econ. You've then got an eCVT gearbox just here with your dual climate control in the middle. You've then got 2 front heated seats as well, along with your 10.5-inch display, which has your satellite navigation, and it also has all of your various audio sources just there. You do have Bluetooth hands-free, however, because my phone isn't connected, it will not allow me to show you that properly. But moving over to the steering wheel, we have got your audio controls on the left with your voice assistant, track select and onboard computer controls. You then got your cruise control and speed limiter on the right hand side with your lane keep assist and distance control, and then you do also have a heated steering wheel. You've got automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has only done 9,720 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this HR-V, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.